So I came out here to take the orange Cobra for a little ride today, and I had a real crazy experience where I put the key in the ignition and everything lit up fine. The battery was at 12 volts, but as soon as I cycled it forward, absolutely nothing. And I heard some clicking from underneath here in the fuse panel, and even out here you hear some noise coming from down here somewhere. Can't even tell what it is, but anyway, it's really weird. But one thing that I noticed is when I cycled the key, it did drop this down to 0 volts, and the connections are good, so I think we have a dead battery. Alright, so luckily I have an extra battery in the red Cobra that I stole, and I put it in here, and we got 12.4 volts, which is better than 12.0. I hear that a strong battery should be 12.4 or higher. And let's just hope that this works. Well, let's see, recycling everything here. Let's hope that that works, because that's scary. Here we go. Now I always keep these battery tenders on here. I keep it plugged into this battery tender, and it's supposed to keep it up. And so I assumed it would at least start. You know, I didn't ever think I'd have a problem with it start. A danger I've had with the Bullet was one of these batteries blew up. It was so old. It was battery tended and it was fully charged, and I started it and it blew up and it got acid everywhere. Had to clean that up quick. So I'm glad to see that it was just a battery, because with all the clicking in here, I know there's stuff down in there, and there's the computer. You know, you always worry about a rodent crawling up and eating your wiring apart. You know, it was clicking from down here too, so luckily it was just the signs of a low battery. But we're doing good, alternator's working good. So I'm gonna go for a nice drive now.